Hi everyone, so welcome to my channel. We are in baby girl's nursery and I wanted to share with you guys a few outfits, a few baby things that were gifted to us by some of our closest friends and family. We had a registry on Amazon and I was able to get quite a few things, more than what I expected, and I'm so grateful for everyone who sent our little girl something. Whether it was something big, something small, it means the world to me that we have people who care that much that wanted to send her something. So I wanted to share with you guys some of the things that I have purchased for her, some of the things that were gifted to us, and kind of take you around and show you a few little things. I'm not going to do a nursery tour in this video because I want that separate. And of course, we'll have a name reveal coming up, but I'm going to save that for when she's home so that I can actually introduce you to her. And I think I talked about that in a previous video. Been doing some pregnancy updates, so if you are interested in any of those, they'll be linked in the description box. I will try to do my best to write down everything, like details about some of the items I'm looking over, because on her dresser is all of the gifts that I'm going to start organizing and putting away. And I thought while I do that, I can actually share just little clips with you guys of some things and just kind of show you guys how I'm going to store some things, and then you'll see it all come together eventually in a nursery tour. So I hope that you will enjoy this. This is going to be super fun for me to share with you guys some things, and I can't wait to finally get the last little bits done in this room because she will be here before I know it. I'm down to my last 30 days. Woohoo! I cannot wait. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into some baby gear. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys a few of the things. I have so many things, so this video will be very long if I show you every little thing. So I'm going to start with the towel set that we got her. It's so cute. I actually bought this ourselves, and I got it from Walmart because I needed some washcloths, and it just came with the towel, and I thought it was really cute, that mint color with little pops of like neon colors. And I have some clothing items that I'll show you that have some neon shades. This is also something that we got off of our registry. This is the changing pad cover. It's a pack of 2, and it's got, this one has little bunnies on it and then pink and white stripes. So I do need to put these on her changing pad. I'm actually going to be washing her things after I finish filming this video. Also on the registry, I had put on there's some bedazzled hospital hats, and these came in a pack of 3, and I'll just show you like up close. Hopefully the camera will focus. It has like little, it's plastic, it's not metal or anything like that, little rhinestones. And so just a couple different varieties that I'm going to bring with me. I might just bring maybe the white one with me to the hospital. And then these are little mittens so that she doesn't scratch herself. I have another pack of mittens that just look like the basic ones, and I use those for my son when he was little, but he used to take them off, so I ended up using socks on his hands instead because he would scratch his face. So this, you can use the Velcro to kind of keep it a little bit more secure on her wrists or the baby's wrists, and they have different patterns and colors on Amazon. And here are some other things that were on my registry that were also gifted to us, and these are going to be part of like the little first aid kit. I have a little bin that I'm going to start putting some of the stuff in here, but we have like the NoseFrida, and I'm going to try these out instead of using something like this because this is kind of hard to clean. Hopefully you can see that. But this grooming kit has everything like clippers, has a thermometer, brush. We did put on there a new thermometer because mine just doesn't seem like it's very accurate. The last time that I really needed it for when my son got really sick, it was last year, and he ended up in the emergency room. So I wanted to get a new one before she arrives. So we have these little bins here that I got from Target, and I picked the shade that matches closely to some of her blankets, her crib. And so inside I'm going to put just her first aid things. So right now all that's in here is the original Sprout Worry-Free Luxury Baby Cream and Hair and Body Wash. This is 100% vegan formula, and it has no parabens, no nanoparticles, lavender, tea tree, no petroleum oils, no soy, no dairy, no gluten, no sulfates, no propylene glycol, no musk. So no fragrance or anything. It's very, very clean, and it's made for babies, and children and adults can use it. And so on the back it tells you it has the proper pH, so it's not too much for their skin. So I chose to try this out. This time around, I have this that my sister sent me. This is the Soothing Nursing Balm. So I need to put this actually in my nightstand. But the idea is to put all of these kind of first aid things in this bin, and then also get like children's Tylenol and just, or infant Tylenol I should say, and have that just in case, because I don't want to be caught in a situation where I need it middle of the night and I don't have it. So that's kind of what this little center bin is, and I'll show you more on these bins when I do the official nursery tour, so you can actually see the other bins and how I've organized everything. Alright, so I've adjusted the ISO on the camera so you guys can see more accurate the actual colors. And so some of these things I've gotten from Target. Most of it's the Carter's brand because I just really like the brand. It's what I use for my son. I was able to wash them repeatedly and not have issues with them falling apart. So I went to Burlington, Walmart, Target, anywhere that sells baby things to find things for little miss. But these are nightgowns, and they are bright neon shades, and it says cutest in the whole world. And it's a pack of 2. And I thought that would be super fun and cute to have, just because I'm not quite sure what her exact size and weight is going to be when she's born. You guys know, if you've been watching my pregnancy updates, I will be getting induced actually in a couple weeks. So I'm not quite sure how big she's going to be or how tiny. So I just decided that these type of nightgowns is probably a safer bet. I have this little newborn set. You guys know how much I love bunnies, but it's funny because every time you go to the store, especially I think this time of the year where it's Easter's around the corner, you will see lots of bunny things for little girls, and it just makes me so happy because I actually don't have to try really hard to find anything with like little bunny stuff on it. And again, this is another newborn Carter's like onesie with the it's like a footed one, so it keeps her feet warm. This is another outfit. It's another Carter's Child of Mine. I got this at Walmart, and it wasn't very expensive at all. And it's a cute little dress. So we might be using this as her coming home outfit. I ordered some leg warmers, which they're not here yet for this video, so I'll show you guys on Snapchat. Comes with a cute little matching headband, and then it has a little sweater, and it's so cute. And here's another Just One You by Carter's as well. This is a clearance find. I paid $7.98 at Target for this, and this is so cute. This is probably going to be a little too warm. I might just put it on her for a photo, but it comes with the little undies to go over her diaper, and it's a newborn size. It's gray, cream, and it has like little specks of like silver glitter. I thought that was really cute, and I did get some things on clearance. I love clearance. That's the first place I look. So I'll show you some other clearance things that I got that are really great deals. This is another Carter's option for an outfit for her. This one I purchased from Target, and again, it has the bunny with the little like a little pom-pom looking thing, but then the back is so cute. Oh my goodness. And it's got this little tutu with a bow on it. I mean, stop it, right? So cute. And it has like little polka dots. This is another set of nightgowns that I had also purchased for her as well. So I have, I think, 5 nightgowns, so enough for a week until she's here, and then I can place orders online for things as I need them and as I see the need for more nightgowns, so on and so forth. But this one has a cute little kitty on it, and it has little bows, little triangles, hearts. These I bought months ago from Target. You guys, this was on clearance for $2.98 for 3 newborn pants, and I can mix it with some of the other like onesie button-up suits that I'll show you here in a little while. But this is white with like a neon orange peach color, mint green, and gray. So I mean, for $3, Can you blame me for getting it? Here's another little outfit, like a little onesie with a little tutu that's been sewn onto it. So freaking cute. And so I could do this with maybe the gray pants or something else if I'm going to take her out of the house with this on. But isn't that cute? I mean, seriously. I'm already going to go broke and she's not even here yet. These are from Cloud Island, also from Target, and I like it because they have the button, so you don't have to tie anything like the old school ones. And they're also reversible, which is great. So you have the floral on one, and then hearts, and then just your solid kind of like a grayish color, like a heather gray on the inside. And these were $5.99 for 2. So I thought that was really cool. And then here on her dresser, I have all of the other stuff that were gifted to us. We have the Infantino 4-in-1 carrier, which again is another Amazon find. This little drying rack here, which I thought would be kind of fun to try. This one, I had something different for my son when he was a baby. We also got the sterilizer for the microwave for bottles. And then I have some random things here as well. Some pacifiers. These are the Avent Soothie ones. This floral thing here is a cover for her car seat. Some bows, and these are all things from Amazon. A copper pearl blanket that I can use to swaddle her or to snuggle with her. Some clothes, but these are 0 to 3 month sizes. Also more gifts. These are hats from Amazon as well. Some bottles, Dr. Brown's bottles, more bows. I showed you guys these if you follow me on Snapchat. I got those at Burlington. And then this little swaddle blanket, which is what's here. I'm going to wash that today. And then if you don't follow me on Snapchat, then you may have missed when I talked about her dresser. This is her dresser. It's 3 drawers. It looks like there's 2 up at the top, but it's just one dresser or one drawer. And what we did was we switched out the knobs and put crystal knobs to make it more girly because it was like a brushed nickel. And I wanted to make it a little bit more fun, so that's why I swapped them out. I just went to Lowe's or Home Depot. So I'm going to show you guys her little chair / swing. This is from the brand Ingenuity. Let me zoom out a little bit so you guys can see it a little bit better. And I saw a vibrating chair at Target that had this same bunny print. And when I went online and saw that I could get a 2-in-1, so this here is the actual chair. Has a little button for the vibrations on it, and then you can actually attach it to a base, and it creates a swing. At 2-in-1, it was more expensive, obviously, when you get stuff like this, but I saw this pattern, and I thought it was the sweetest little thing, and so I went ahead and got it. It has like little bunny ears, really, really sweet, and here is a picture of what it looks like. You can attach it to the base, this part here, where there's music and lights, and make it into a swing, or it could be like it is on the floor right now, a rocker that vibrates, and you can, you know, use your hand if you need to. Put the baby to sleep. This was quite expensive, more so than I wanted to spend, but I do know how important it is to have a swing. My son adored his swing, and he had a cheapo one when he was little, because he hated the 4 Moms, the Mamaroo, with a $200 swing, and he preferred something cheaper. I don't know why, but I guess each baby is different. So I'm hoping that she likes this, because if she doesn't, then I don't know what I'm going to do. But that was such a cute little find as well. And we also got her this Boppy newborn lounger. I don't have a breastfeeding pillow yet. I do plan on getting one, but I saw this and I thought that would be really cool. I wanted to try like the Dakota. I don't know if I'm going to get that or not, because it is a little bit expensive, but we got this. I don't remember exactly where we got it from, but you can find stuff like this, Walmart, online, but it's a newborn lounger, so it's a pillow that you can put the baby on. So that is it, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I have quite a bit of things for Little Miss, and of course I didn't show you everything, but I showed you some of the things that I just absolutely love, and I have so many things to organize, clothes and things like that, that I still need to get to. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I do appreciate you so much for tuning in and being here for this video, for being with me through this journey of pregnancy with baby number 2, and just for the love and support that I've gotten from you guys and from friends and family who don't come on here and leave comments, but if you're watching, you know who you are. It means the world to us. Thank you for spending some of your day. Don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in videos like this and more beauty content coming up on my channel. Hit the notification bell so you are aware of when new videos are posted. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. As always, it'll be somewhere on the screen. I hope to see you there. If not, I'll catch you in my next video. Take care, you guys.